Hi everyone, today I got a new product for you. It's the ZUUKOO Laminator A3. Great little product, great price, works great. Let's look at some of the specifications on this. Okay, and we said the product name was the A3 Laminator. It's the model GS091. The power is 365 watts. The voltage is AC, 110 to 120 volts at 60 hertz. The dimensions of the laminator is 17.3 by 5.8 by 2.7 inches. Max entry width is 12.9 inches or A3 size paper. Pouch thickness is 80 to 125 mic. Maximum lamination thickness is 0.5 millimeters. And last, the maximum lamination speed is 9.8 inches by 1 minute. First thing we see is the operation manual. It basically includes everything how to operate it and the do's and don'ts. Next is your warranty cards. They send it in so you can get a warranty on that. Next we have the corner rounder clipper. This is nice for like business cards and stuff. When you get it laminated, you can clip those corners round so they fit in your wallet easier. Next is a very useful tool is the trimmer and has a measuring scale on it. Very easy to use. You lay it down and once you get it laminated with whatever you have in there, you just slide it along there and it trims off the excess lamination sheets. Very nice and useful. And reaching down into the box and pulling out the laminated sheet. Wow, it comes with 20 of them, different sizes to meet all your needs. So that's quite a bit that comes with the laminator. I'm impressed with that. All right, so let's take a look at the actual machine itself. You can see this laminator is quality built. It's got kind of a black matte finish to it. All right, you can see here it's got the ABS switch on it. This is the anti-jam switch. You click this button when your paper's stuck by improper feed and you can push the paper through without damaging the machine. All right, looking at the bottom, you can see it has your vents for cooling on there and your little anti-skid pads on there, 4 of those on there to keep it from moving around. All right, taking a look at the opposite side of the laminator, we have your cold lamination off and hot lamination switch on there, which allows you 2 options to laminate any items that you have. All right, so let's see how this laminator works. I've got everything all laid out. I've got different size lamination sheets. I've got a couple diving cards I need to relaminate over top of, my electrical license, and my COVID vaccine paperwork. All these things I'm going to laminate, and we're going to try it with the trimmer and the corner trimmer on this. All right, so we're going to start up with the smaller of the cards. One of them is my small electrical license and the diving card. And I have 2 of these cards, and they're 3x5. And I can fit them both in one laminated pouch. I'm going to space them evenly apart. Okay, so I've got them lined up like I said, and you insert it into the laminator with the sealed pouch side first. The other end is open, and you slowly let the laminator roller wheels grab it and feed it through. It goes through it really quick. I'm very impressed with the speed on this. Okay, feeding through there. Shouldn't take more than a couple seconds here. It's coming right out the other end already. What's nice, you only have to do 1 pass. It seals it right up, gets it nice and tight. And here we go. It's almost done. You can tell when it's all done, it starts to drop. And you simply grab it and pull it out. Wow, look at that. What a nice job that did. All right, we're going to use our trimmer. It's really nice. You just slide it underneath there, and there's a track that the cutting knob follows, so you can just line it up and get it close to however close the edge of laminate you want revealed on your card, and hold it in place, and slide the ruler, and it trims it right up. Right, the next item that I'm going to laminate is my larger size electrical license, and this is 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. And again, I insert it into the laminated pocket, make sure everything's lined up evenly on the sides, and insert it into the machine with the sealed side first. So again, we're just waiting it to run through the laminator. It's almost done there. Yeah, look at that. That is nice. Perfect seal all the way around. I can use a trimmer and trim it up if I want. I can use a corner edger if I want to. All right, next we're going to do a larger size, 8.5 by 11 sheet. This is my COVID vaccine update paperwork. It's the same procedure as the last ones we did. I put my piece of paper in the laminated pocket, center it up, make sure it's nice and even on the sides, and insert it into the laminator. All right, you see it's all done. Reach in there, pull it out, and look at that. That is nice. Smooth all around. All the edges are nice and sealed. This is great. Now, one other cool thing I can show you here, and you can see here that I'm feeding it in widthwise. That's a full 11 inches going through the laminator with ease. And look at that. Perfect. I love this. This is an awesome laminator. All right, in this last example, I'm going to be showing you how well it works on something thick, because this is my diving card that's got lamination on it, but it's wearing off and the corners are kind of mucked up. So I'm going to try this and see. I might have to run it through a couple times because it's very thick with the excess lamination on there, but it's going through the machine. You can see here. Wow, going through great. Let's see how it looks when it comes out. Not bad. All right, that looks great. Oh my gosh. And I'll just trim it up, and there I go. So that's my review for the ZUUKOO laminator machine for the A3, A4, A5, and A6 size paper. It's the 4-in-1 terminal laminator with the ABS anti-jam technology. Really cool, you saw that. It comes with the laminator, the trimmer, the corner rounder, and 20 laminate pouches. That's a pretty cool kit. What I really like about this, it has 13 inches wide, so you can use this thing for home, office, or school. This laminator worked flawlessly. I've been using this now well over 3 months. Haven't had a lick of problem with it. Very durable and lightweight too. I got to tell you, this is a great little machine you can carry around with you. You can pick it up on Amazon for $47.99, and I will leave that quick link down below. So if you think the information was useful in helping you make an educated decision in purchasing this laminator or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up, because it really does help my channel grow. And if you haven't yet, and you visited here for your first time, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget the bell to the right, because that lets you know when I got my upcoming videos are released. So this is Captain Mark saying to you, as always, thank you for watching my videos and viewing my products, and I will see you in the next one.